got the microwave, I've got the VCR, I've got the two-stooks, and the trunk of my car. Oh yeah, I'm you, all the love that I've got. It's hard to keep my soul on the ground. You're a fool, don't fuck around.
All right, that growling is a little interesting. He's doing his own take on his dad, and I've kind of watched some interviews, so I kind of have a little back story. He said, I don't want to be my dad, but I'm doing a little bit of my take on these songs. I think one thing you gotta forgive him for, just the idea that it's his dad. It's like you gotta forgive the naivete. Like he's young. He's very young, and this is I think one of his first shows ever singing with Sublime, and it's in front of 1 million people, so he's killing it.